On Wednesday, U.S. nat gas futures moved lower after experiencing a notable uptick on the previous day. This increase was driven by colder weather predictions and expectations of a rise in heating demand. For the last 7 weeks, there has been significantly lower demand than usual. However, cooler weather systems compared to normal will move across the northern and central U.S. until the end of March, leading to increased demand. Despite this, wind energy generation will be robust for the next 2 weeks, helping to counterbalance the higher demand caused by temperature shifts and reduced U.S. production. On the other hand, the recent increase in the feed gas to the Freeport LNG plant, despite its history of outages, could have a bullish impact. Volumes are now above last week's average, which could be an early sign of a potential startup of parts of the plant. Current estimates indicate that natural gas inventories are approximately 40% higher than usual levels, attributed to near-record production and decreased winter demand. Despite recent low prices, it is projected that there will be record U.S. gas consumption in 2024. However, these low prices are also expected to lead to reduced production for the first time since the 2020 pandemic. Looking ahead, analysts note a decline in gas output in the U.S. for March. In contrast, gas demand, inclusive of exports, is forecasted to rise slightly. So, in the short term, the U.S. nat gas market is leaning towards a bullish outlook. On Wednesday, U.S. nat gas futures are stabilizing for the 6th consecutive session. Analysis of the daily chart suggests that the short-term trend might shift upwards if buying strength is sufficient to surpass the $1.85 pivot. Should the upward momentum intensify during this move, there exists a possibility of a significant surge toward the 50-day moving average, positioned at $2. While we anticipate sellers to return during a rally toward this crucial moving average, a decisive breakthrough could potentially alter the intermediate trend toward an upward direction. I would estimate that it will take approximately 2 more weeks for gas prices to surpass the 50-day moving average threshold if no additional bullish or bearish events happen during this time. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to support the channel if you enjoyed the video. See you in the next one.